What's up, Sean? Hey, here's what we're going to do. This is going to be the transcribed and the video of the 2-1-2 exercise. I'm going to send you a picture of this transcription here, but I wanted to talk about it really quick so you know what we're doing, right? So, what I did, you have the second half of the lick down, which is literally just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just quarter notes on your bass drum. So I did not transcribe that. Okay. The other part that we were kind of struggling with was the right? Which is 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. So what I did, here's how I transcribe, because I don't have like a system to do it. I took, right, I made a bar of 16th notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Then over here on the left side, I said, okay, I'm going to have my snare and my floor tom. That's what FT stands for, floor tom. And then kick. And I even kind of color-coded them so that I can tell which ones are which. Snare and floor tom are going to be blue. All the blues is snare and floor tom, and kick is just the black ones. I even did the same thing with the words up here. 1 E is black, so I know it's floor tom, is kick, and then the and is snare and floor tom. Right? So I'm going to actually kind of walk through it with you, and I will send you this picture, but this is a transcription of what the drum lick is. Okay? So, that being said, let's do this. I'm even going to shoot this video, and if you want to, it'll be on YouTube so you can slow it down if you want to practice it slower. On the settings tab, you can click settings and then go to like half speed. But this is what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, I will be sending you a picture of that. And yeah, that is that. So let's turn on a BPM. Let's do it real slow.
1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E.
I'm even going to slow it all the way down to 30 BPM. That's where this is going to be at, 30 BPM. So at 30 BPM, now there's a couple ways you can approach this. If you're not quite ready for the click itself, right? Because you feel like it's like making you think too fast, or you're having to rush yourself to try to make sure you're with it. Something like this, then just get rid of the click for a second, right? Based off of this drawing, I can see the first 4 notes are kick, kick, snare and floor tom, and then kick. So okay, let's give that a shot. Kick, kick, snare and floor tom. Okay, and then kick. Okay, so that's the first part. I'm kind of walking you through how I even sometimes break stuff down for myself when I'm learning new licks. So, okay, I got that first part down. Let's make sure we got that first part down. Okay, that's the first part. Let's do it again. Okay, all right, okay. So the second part is actually going to be floor tom and snare, the blue, and then 2 blacks, 2 snare bass drums. So it's going to be this, and then 2 of these, and then 1 of these. Okay, cool. And then that just repeats, right? Okay, so that's it transcribed, and sometimes that's how I have to work through my stuff. If it's a harder thing for me to understand, I have to do that. So let's do it at 30 BPM. If you want to, you can use this video as a practice video with me. And I'm not so focused on the quarter note section with the bass drum, because I know you can do that, right?
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and
there's the bass
4
drum part, which
and,
goes 1
E and
2 E and
3 E and 4 E and 1
oh, okay.
E and
Like, that part's easy. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about playing with it saying 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 2, right? I'm worried about this part. This is the part we were kind of struggling with. So I'm just going to put this sucker on loop. Practice with me if you have to. And like I said, I will send you a picture of that transcription so that you can use it to kind of look at while you're doing it. 30 BPM. Here we go.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E.
Here we go.
And, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and
1
E and
2
E and
3
E and 4 E
again.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4
Again.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E.
One more time.
4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and.
Okay, so that's it at 30 BPM. Obviously, that's very slow, whereas, 2, 3, 4. Right, that's it sped up. But if we can't do it slow, so I'm just going to bring it up in tempo just a little bit more. That way you can practice with me too. Let's bring it up. Now, anytime I practice, if I'm struggling with something, I usually go in groups of 5s or 10s. I never go up more than that. Let's just do a little bit of a 10 BPM jump. Let's go up to 40. Same thing. We'll do it for just a little bit, and then we'll go on to the next 10.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and
again.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and
4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1
E and 2 E and 3 E
and
and
one more time. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1
E and.
Okay, so we'll do just one more. Let's bump it up 10 more. You can loop these if you have to, right? If you're like, oh, okay, you know what? I like practicing with Coach. Cool, whatever. If you want to rewatch it and like play tune with me, that's fine too. Let's do 50. Let's do 50 BPM. That's another 10 BPM jump. One more time. We'll go about 4 to 6 times. Here we go.
1 E and a.
And when I'm doing this stuff, right, I am able to, and you don't have to be able to do this, you know, while I'm doing the lick. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Right? You don't have to. You don't have to be able to sing it while you're playing, but if you can, rock on, brother. That will make you 10 times better. My brain kind of does it naturally because I've been doing it for so long. Inside my head, my brain is doing this. You know, I'm not actually whispering to myself in my brain, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4. My brain has done this for so long that it does it automatically. It can't help it. So whatever. Let's do 50 BPM. See what we got. We'll do 4 to 6 times. Here we go.
1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E.
One more time.
1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a.
Right, just for poops and giggles. You don't have to practice to this, but my brain is still doing the same thing no matter what tempo I'm doing.
1 E and a, 2 E and a,
Right
3
now,
E
I'm already
and a,
hearing
1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E.
Anyway, so that is that. That's the transcription. I will send you a picture of it, but that is also kind of a walkthrough on how to do it, and you can use that video to practice with me if you want to.